This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, corn values rose yesterday with the trade anticipating a big sale announcement from China very soon. There was the announcement of the sale of 140,000 metric tons to an unknown destination, but that wasn't the trade that folks are looking for. In terms of domestic demand, the weekly ethanol production report showed a week-over-week decrease of 15,000 barrels per day, while stocks increased by 44,000 barrels. Market year-to-date, ethanol production is running 6.3% behind year-ago numbers. Soybeans were higher as they were driven by the same things that we've been discussing for weeks, the anticipation of more Chinese demand and weather problems in South America. Yesterday, however, we had some fresh bullish news show up that could be kind of interesting. We're starting to see more news stories that harm the reputation of palm oil plantations, which in turn could cause food companies to avoid controversy by shifting away from using palm oil over to soybean oil. Soybean oil made a nice move higher yesterday, and if that continues, it will help to propel soybeans higher as well. The wheat markets were higher as we saw short covering and spillover strength from the row crops. Weather forecasts for winter wheat country here in the U.S. continue to look good. Traders may have been buying also in anticipation of some degree of shutdowns, since the last shutdowns seemed to generate very strong flour demand. We saw cotton futures push a bit higher yesterday. At the close, we had December futures 57 points higher, closing at 69.68. Livestock futures were mixed. December live cattle ended the day 67.5 cents lower, while January feeder cattle were down $2.42.5 at the closing bell. Lean hog futures were higher, with the December futures up 27.5 cents at the close. Class 3 milk futures continued to slide lower. At the finish, we had December futures 15 points lower, closing at 16.01. And meat cutout values were mixed. Choice box beef was $2.12 higher, closing at $235.84. Select boxes were 34 cents lower, as they settled at $213.62. Pork carcass cutout values were 92 cents lower, as ended the day at $77.68 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.